Many devotees walk around Vrindavana in the mornings, doing parikrama. On the way, we come across different animals, but the cows and bulls, which are walking freely along the streets of Vrindavan, are just amazing. In big cities, people don't even see cows. Sometimes they rarely have chance even to hear the birds singing. But everything is different here. Vrindavan is a big village. Here we live close to nature. Cow gives milk and therefore it's like a mother. A lot of dishes can be prepared from milk. And today I will show you how to make a homemade cheese, paneer, and how to make a vegetarian omelette. Put a pot on fire. Pour a liter of milk. Right after that, add half a liter of yogurt. Bring it to a boil and the milk coagulates, turn it into a paneer, or white cheese. Filter it through a clean cloth. Finally, we get a soft paneer and a liquid, a milk whey, which you can use separately for other purposes. Put a frying pan on the fire and make masala on ghee. Add turmeric, Kashmiri red pepper, and ground coriander. You can add your favorite spices, but the main thing is to use turmeric, which gives a beautiful yellow color. Add tomatoes and fry them in spices. Close the lid for 2 or 3 minutes. When the tomatoes get softened, add the paneer. Add a couple of spoons of fat cream. Mix and cover for 1 minute. Let the whole dish absorb the aroma of spices. A special ingredient for vegetarian omelette is Indian black salt. It is called Kala Namak. It gives a taste and smell of a real egg. Add some black salt, stir and sprinkle with cilantro. Our dish is ready. It takes around 20 minutes to cook this omelette. It looks just great and it's very yummy. Krishna gave us cows that we could prepare many tasty dishes from milk. Srila Prabhupada called milk to be a liquid religion, because milk also influences our consciousness, so we can easier develop good qualities in our hearts. Thank you for watching this video. Please come to Vrindavan. Krishna and Srimati Radharani are waiting for you. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell so as not to miss new recipes. It was Manjari from Vrindavan. See you soon.